Hello, good morning. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear parents. Do you remember my dear students? I think not. Anyway, I will introduce myself. Myself Vinod Goswami, the physical education teacher and NCC troop commander of Gyan Mata Vidya Vihar Nanded. First of all, I will my heartfelt greetings to everyone, and I hope that everybody is taking care of their own health as well as their elder ones. As you all are aware, this world is fighting with the COVID-19 pandemic, and the situations are critical throughout the world. All the movements of the humans has been just like stopped, like pause. But we cannot stop as long as we don't know when the situations will come to the normal. And keeping the view of the bright future of the students, our Gyan Mata Vidya Vihar management has taken the initiative to start the online classes for the academic subjects, and our father principal also has told and requested us and told us suggested us kindly give some tips of the health to the students, which will be helpful to keep their own health good and you will be fit and fine. So hereafter, whenever I will come, I may suggest you do some yogas, pranayams, or any physical activity which will be helpful for the digestion. See, my dear students, this is the main part of our human body. This is what I will tell this chakki or the floor mill. If whatever you are eating, it will be floored, and if this is disturbed, then everything will be disturbed. So for that, only eating is not sufficient. Whenever you are taking the food, that has to be digest properly, and for that the physical exercise is more necessary for the humans, for the every living person. You must make some timetable so that I will wake up at this time, will go for the exercise, will take a bath, also the time of the food, and take good rest also. And apart from that, you have to do the exercise also to keep yourself fit and fine. So hereafter, whenever I will come and join with you, I will suggest you some exercise which if you follow, I hope that it will be very beneficial to you, and some activities of the sports. Though the individual sports you can do at your own, but team events also, individual skills also you can develop at home in the isolation period also. Once again, I thank you all, and I also request you all to do take care of yourself and your near ones. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.